Hello students, how are you all? I hope so you all are fine. Now kids, in session number 2 of chapter number 5, that is the human body. In this session, I am going to explain you our organ system. Kids, our body is made up of so many organ systems, right? In particular, in this session, I am going to explain you these our organ system. One is skeletal system, another one is muscular system, and last one is digestive system, right? So these are the things that I am going to explain you in today's session, right? Kids, our organ system, right? Our body consists of many cells. Kids, do you have any idea that our body is made up of so many cells? Cells are the kind of things like it is the smallest entity of our body. It is the smallest entity, it is the smallest, we can say that smallest part, we cannot say that it is a part, but पूरी की पूरी बॉडी हमारी सेल्स से बनी होती है. Kids, have you ever observed any construction site? आप लोगों ने कोई भी कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट देखी है कि वो किस तरह से घर बनाते हैं? They are keeping bricks, right? Same as like that. Our cells are it is like okay, building. I can say that it is a like building blocks कि हमारी जिस तरह से घर में हम ब्रिक्स के ऊपर ब्रिक्स लगा के घर बना सकते हैं, तो हमारी बॉडी में भी सेल्स होते हैं. सेल्स आर लाइक अ बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स इन आवर बॉडी, राइट? Cells are the building blocks of our body. Many cells join together to form tissues. हमारी बॉडी में बहुत सारे सेल्स होते हैं. सेल्स बना के क्या सेल्स को when we are going to make join together all the cells, it makes a tissue. कि अगर सेल्स को इकट्ठा कर देते हैं तो वो क्या बन जाते हैं? हमारी बॉडी के टिश्यूज बन जाते हैं, राइट? टिश्यूज join together to form organs. अगर वही सेम टिश्यूज join हो जाते हैं साथ में, it joins together, then it forms our organs. वो क्या बन जाते हैं? Organs बन जाते हैं, right? Organs helps us to carry out our everyday activities. Organs जो होते हैं वो हमारी रूटीन से डे टू डे लाइफ की एक्टिविटीज होती है उसको कैरी आउट करते हैं, राइट? जैसे कि लाइक स्केलेटल सिस्टम, then after muscular system, digestive system, respiratory system. So these are the things that is totally looking out by that system, right? Certain organs work together to form an organ system. कोई कोई जैसे सेल्स होते हैं, सेल्स में से क्या इकट्ठा होकर बनते हैं? टिश्यूज. अगर टिश्यूज टुगेदर हो जाते हैं तो क्या बनते हैं? ऑर्गन्स. अगर बहुत दो तीन ऑर्गन्स इकट्ठा हो जाते हैं तो इट इज लाइक इट फॉर्म एन ऑर्गन सिस्टम. वो किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं? ऑर्गन सिस्टम में. जैसे कि रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम है, जैसे कि मैं जिससे आई एम ब्रीदिंग समथिंग, राइट? सो आई एम ब्रीदिंग द थिंग्स थ्रू नोज, लंग्स, राइट? So when these kind of parts together makes an organ system, right? Then after digestive system, then intestine, small intestine, large intestine, anus. When these kind of things together, then it forms an organ system, right? All the organ system together make up an organism. तो फिर ऑर्गन सिस्टम बन जाने के बाद अगर एक बॉडी में ऑर्गन सिस्टम मेड हो जाती है, देन दिस सिस्टम टुगेदर मेक अप एन ऑर्गेनिज्म. वो क्या बनाती है? एक ऑर्गेनिज्म को रेडी कर देती है. ऑर्गेनिज्म मतलब कोई भी लिविंग थिंग. क्लियर? Let us discuss different types of organ systems which are present in the human body. There are so many organ systems are present in our body, right? All systems that I am going to explain you in this chapter only, right? First of all, skeletal system. Kids, our whole body is made up of skeletal system, right? A newborn baby has about 300 bones. Kids, a newborn baby हैज अबाउट 300 बोन्स. एक नया बच्चा जन्मा हुआ होता है, बर्थ हुआ होता है, तो उसकी बॉडी में टोटल 300 बोन्स होते हैं. हाउ मेनी बोन्स आर प्रेजेंट इन अ बेबी? There are total 300 bones are present in a newborn baby, right? Why? Because newborn baby होता है ना, उसमें कोई कोई bones होते हैं वो ऐसे ही होते हैं जैसे कि हम ह्यूमन बॉडी में कितने होते हैं, हम एडल्ट्स के पास 206 बोन होते हैं. As compared to adult body, why babies have 300 bones? Because babies के bones जो होते हैं वो बहुत सारे होते हैं, वो ज्वाइंट हुए नहीं होते. क्या हुआ होता है? वो ज्वाइंट नहीं हुए होते. When it started growing, then after it is like कि वो ज्वाइंट होना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं कि 2-3 बोन्स होते हैं वो ज्वाइंट होके एक बोन बन जाता है, राइट? Then when after that baby converts into an adult person, and it have a 206 bones, right? Some of these join together to form 206 bones that adults have. As I told you कि वो join होके बड़े हो जाने के बाद it converts into 206 bones, right? The bones are hard and joined together to form a skeleton. When these all the bones are connected with each other, when they started joining each other, that forms a skeletal system. वो क्या form करती है? Skeletal system. Clear? Now kids, what is the function of skeletal system? Basically, what is the work of a skeletal system? Skeletal gives shape to our body. Kids, skeletal system gives shape to our body, right? If think that if I don't have a skeletal system, then my body looks like what? It looks like shapeless. मेरी body बिल्कुल ही shapeless लगती, वो पूरी body में shape भी नहीं देता, right? So for our shape, skeletal system is must, right? So it gives shape to our body. It protects inner body organs such as the brain, the heart, and the lungs. Kids, it protects our inner body organs. All the organs are present inside our body, right? Brain, heart, lungs, stomach, all the organs are present inside. So skeletal system is like a protective covering for these kind of organs. ये प्रोटेक्टिव कवरिंग का काम करता है ये सारे ऑर्गन्स को, and it protects the inner organs, right? How? Whenever we fall down, right? हम गिर जाते हैं तो कभी कभी we felt injured, right? हम injured हो जाते हैं. अगर सोचो कि skeletal system नहीं होती तो directly inner part को ही injuries होती, and inner organs are too much delicate. इनर ऑर्गन्स जो होते हैं वो बहुत ही डेलिकेट होते हैं, राइट? तो वो कोई भी ह्यूमन बीइंग, कोई भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म में वो मर जाता है. तो स्केलेटल सिस्टम से क्या होता है कि वो बोन्स ब्रेक हो जाते हैं, क्रैक हो जाते हैं, तो बट इनर ऑर्गन्स तो क्या होते हैं, वो सेफ ही होते हैं. इट प्रोटेक्ट्स इनर पोर्शन, राइट? सो स्केलेटल सिस्टम इज मस्ट टू प्रोटेक्ट इनर ऑर्गन्स. क्लियर? We can stand straight and walk due to our skeletal system. Kids, right now I'm standing, right? You are sitting, when someone are walking. So this is happened just because skeletal system is present in our body, right? So skeletal system is must, and these are the functions of skeletal system. I hope so you understand. Now let's begin second topic, that is about muscular system. Kids, our body is made up of so many muscles, right? An adult human muscular system consists of over 600 muscles which are made up of soft tissues. Kids, a normal body consumes 600 muscles, like, and it is made up of soft tissues. जो हमारी body में tissues होते हैं उसके through ये बने होते हैं, right? Those muscles which are attached to the bones help them to move. Kids, our muscles is attached with bones. So it is like that. It helps to do movement. कि वो हमारी body की जो movement होती होती है उसको मूव करने में हमारी हेल्प करता है. Constantly, kids, I'm moving my hands just because muscles are present in my body. So it is connected with my bones, right? So easily I can move my hands, I can move my legs, I can do any movement just because muscles are attached in my bones. Clear? When muscles move, they pull the bones. मसल्स हमारे बॉडी के मूव करते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई हमारे बॉडी के जो बोन्स होते हैं वो भी मूव करते हैं, राइट. वी यूज बोथ आवर मसल्स एंड बोन्स टू मूव आवर आर्म्स, legs and other body parts. As I told you, we have both the things in our body, bones and muscles. When they give their efforts, both of them give their efforts, that's why our body movement is possible, right? That's why we easily can walk here and there. We are using our hands. We can do anything with our arms, legs and any other body parts, right? So these only help. ये तभी होता है whenever our muscles and body helps us to do things, right? Clear? I hope so you understand muscular system. Now, last one, that is about digestive system, right? Our body needs energy to do work. We all living things need energy to do work, right? Where we get energy from? हमें कहाँ से energy मिलती है? But naturally, whenever we are eating food, then we get energy from that, right? If we are not eating food, तो हमें बिल्कुल भी energy नहीं मिलेगी, right? This energy comes from the food. The food we eat cannot be used by our body in the form that is eaten. Kids, have you ever thought about these kind of things? Whatever is eaten by us directly, it is used like to form an energy. वो directly हम किस तरह से energy में use करेंगे? No, it is a kind of a process through that कि उसके बाद एक process होती है. उसके बाद फूड के फॉर्म्स चेंज होते हैं. उसके बाद हमारी बॉडी को वो एनर्जी के फॉर्म में मिलता है. Whenever we eat food, it goes into food pipe and then it connects with liver and then after it goes into small intestine. After liver it goes into a stomach, then after small intestine, then after large intestine, and it is come out through anus. So this is the basically digestive system. Kids, please repeat with me. Whenever we are eating through our mouth, it goes into a food pipe, it is connected with liver, and then after our food goes into a stomach, then after in small intestine, then after large intestine, and then after it comes out through anus. So this is the basic our digestive system, right? It has to be changed into a simpler form to its proper absorption by our body. कि फूड जो होता है वो सिंपल फॉर्म में चेंज होके हमारी बॉडी में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, राइट? सो दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज डाइजेशन. दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज किड्स डाइजेशन. हम कोई भी खाना खाते हैं, राइट? इट कन्वर्ट्स इट फॉर्म, वो अपने फॉर्म चेंज कर देता है, राइट? तो वो when it changes its forms, that process is called digestion. Clear? The organs that helps in digestion make up the digestive system. जो भी organs हमारी फूड को डाइजेस्ट करने में हेल्प करते हैं, that all the organs are considered as a digestive organs. ऐसे सारे organs जो हमारे फूड को डाइजेस्ट करवाने में हेल्प करते हैं, that type of organs are called digestive organs, right? The organs that help in digestion make up the digestive system, and that organs make up our digestive system. वो सारे के सारे organs क्या बनाते हैं? हमारी digestion system, right? Digestive system is made up of the following parts. Digestive system is made up with so many parts like mouth, food part, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. Right? So these are the parts we are going to call it as a digestive organs. Right? Mouth. The process of digestion begins from the mouth. Always our digestion process begins with our mouth. The teeth help in biting, chewing and breaking of the food into smaller pieces. Kids, what is the basic work of mouth? To chew, to cut, to bite, right? To breaking down the food into simpler four pieces, right? So this is the work of a mouth. The saliva in the mouth get mixed with the food and makes it soft. This food can be swallowed. Kids, saliva is present in our mouth. Kids, you know what is saliva? It is a kind of a sticky substance that is present in our mouth. In Gujarati, we are going to call it as a thuk, right? तो ये saliva एक ऐसा चीज है, it makes our food into like वो हमारे food को सॉफ्ट बना देता है. इट हेल्प्स टू swallow मतलब गलना निगलना. whatever is eaten by us we are going to swallow all the food, right? हम कोई भी खाना खाते हैं वो बट नेचुरल swallow तो करने वाले हैं chew करने के बाद. So saliva is a substance which makes the foods soft and it helps to swallow the food, right? So this is the work of a mouth in digestive system. Then after food pipe. The food pipe connects the mouth and the stomach. But naturally this is the mouth and then after this food pipes connects the stomach and mouth. वो एक जरिया होती है food को stomach तक पहुंचाने का, right? The food pipe connects the mouth and the stomach. The small pieces of the food travel to the stomach through it. As suppose I want to go outside, then I need to walk from this place, right? So food wants to reach into stomach. Then this is the thing which helps to क्या करता है वो हेल्प ये फूड को स्टमक तक रीच करने में पहुंचाने में हेल्प करता है, राइट? देन आफ्टर स्टमक digestive juices in the stomach mix with the food and form a paste. Kids, in stomach there are so many digestive juices are present. It helps to digest the food and it is like a stomach mix with the food and a form of paste. कि digestive juices से हमारे food को digest करता है और वो उसको trying to convert food into a paste. कि paste जैसा बना देता है हमारे food को, right? This food is then passes into the small intestine. वो जो stomach होता है उसमें से small intestine में pass होता है, right? Now what is the work of a small intestine? From the stomach, food goes into the small intestine and digestive juices present in the small intestine helps to digest the food. Kids, in small intestine also digestive juices are present, right? तो stomach के बाद वो ट्रैवल करके कहाँ पे जाता है? स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में जाता है. स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में भी बहुत सारे डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस प्रेजेंट होते हैं एंड इट हेल्प्स टू डाइजेस्ट द फूड. वो फूड को डाइजेस्ट करने में हेल्प करता है. द न्यूट्रिशनल कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ द फूड are then absorbed by the blood. In small intestine, when it converts into digestional paste, then after some nutritional components of the food are absorbed by the blood. न्यूट्रिशनल कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं जो हमें हमारी बॉडी को लेने चाहिए वो एब्जॉर्ब करके ब्लड के थ्रू पूरी की पूरी बॉडी में ट्रांसफर होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है, राइट? देन आफ्टर इन लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन the rest of the food that cannot be digested by our body in that large intestine